Hey Whippers, it's Squiggly McPickens with Ants on a Melon. And in this video, we're going to get into our circles. I'll be using the Galaxy 2.0 BitWhip in today's tutorial. This is part 2 of an introduction to circle grips, and is part of our ongoing LightWhip Foundation series. If you haven't checked out part 1, be sure to hit that one up first. Today I'm going to show you how to transition into and out of a circle, and some interactions around various parts of the body. First, we'll be looking at how to adjust our circle or circles, and put various parts of our body through them. When holding a single or double loop circle, open your grip and allow your free hand to grip near the tail of your whip. You can make a larger circle by returning your tail to the hand gripping the handle. This is one way to adjust the size. By controlling the size of the circle, you can modify it to an appropriate diameter to put a circle around your arms, legs, head, torso, etc. A method to make your circle smaller is by gripping your fibers with a loose grip. Next, pull your fibers through your slightly open hand to the desired length, then close your grip. Like a hoop, you can get inside a closed circle. This is great for hoop-style whip play. Adjust your whip size and get inside. Do so by adjusting your circle size by opening your grip slightly and pulling the circle out wider. Test out the methods we just went over. Here's another method for creating a circle around your torso. This is a great way to adjust the circle size to fit your individual body size from the get-go. Start with a reverse handle grip. Next, draw your fibers behind you and grip them with your other hand. Connect your grip in front of you, and when you feel comfortable with the circle size, close your grip. You can also do this starting from in front of you. Here you can see I've created a circle by closing it around a body part and moving that body part out of the circle. You can create a circle around your arms, torso, head, knees, elbow, any part of your body that sticks out. When exiting a circle, consider whether you want to break the circle, maybe by letting go of your grip and spinning the loose whip off your body at that point, or by maintaining the circle until removed from your body, like so. Each has its own look and feel, and you can decide which one looks better in connection with the transition to the move you want to do after that. I hope you learned more about circles over these 2 videos. Be sure to subscribe, as there will be many more new videos in our ongoing LightWhip Foundation series. Hit like if it helped you out and share it with your flomies. Thanks for watching.